Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Are you excited to see JoJo? Who are you excited to see?
My friend Reed and Jude.
Reed and Jude.
Oh, my girls. Come on, Cole. You gonna let her outside, Pete? Thank you. Okay, go on, Coley. Pete's letting you out. Good job, Peanut. Dad's helping with breakfast today. And I'm gonna go get dressed and take my curlers out of my hair. Okay, so some of you have asked how I kind of make my hair have the volume. I think the rollers help, but I'll show you how I kind of like tease and spray it. Okay, so I'll just kind of start in the back, and with the comb, just kind of like tease it all around. And then I just kind of like spray, and then with my fingers just sort of like run it through so that it has just some extra volume. Okay, here's my outfit of the day. It's just like chillier in the morning for the school run, so that's why I'm wearing this sweater, but I have a tank on underneath so I can take it off as it gets like hotter for the afternoon, and I'll wear sneakers, but just have my house shoes on for right now. I actually was just sent this new bag too, so I'm gonna use this one today. You want to be eating too?
I can hold this thing and then say hi.
All right, grab your book bags, please.
Love you guys. Love you. Have fun at preschool.
Everything?
Yeah.
Folder, lunch, snack, book bag, smile. And you remember how much we love you? Yep. Kids made me listen to like the same song over and over again in the car, and my tire thing just came on, so I've got to get some air in my tires. I'm laughing so hard right now. So when I was driving Presley to preschool, she goes, Landon goes to school, then I go to school, then mommy goes home and goes to bed. I'm like, girlfriend, you really think mommy goes home and sleeps? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, this is the problem. This is why people always ask, like, what do stay-at-home moms do all day? Like, no, you are a working at-home mom. Like, there is laundry, there is so many things that you need to like take care of, whether it's groceries, errands, cleaning up after stuff. Because that's part of the thing. Like, when I was a working mom, my kids weren't home, so they weren't making messes all day. And I think like for people who might have a nanny come to their house, like it's part of that person's responsibilities. I would think, I would be saying it to mine if I had that, like you need to be cleaning, or you need to be helping with the laundry while you're here and all of that kind of stuff. Like not cleaning, but cleaning up, you know what I mean, after the kids. But when it's just you, and every day when the kids are home, it's just like constant messes that you're cleaning up. That's why I feel like on my Instagram I can always do so many of the tap to cleans these days, because there's just always things that need to be cleaned up after. It's just crazy. I go home and sleep. I wish, girl. I wish. If that's what you do as a stay-at-home mom, can you please let me know your secret? Like, I would like to know. All right, just got home from the school run, so I'm gonna make my breakfast, and then I've got to do a tidy up of this house because it needs it really bad. Okay, so for my breakfast today, I'm gonna be having one of my daily harvest smoothies. So if you've never tried daily harvest before and are interested, I do have a promo code Brianna K for $25 off, and I have the link in my description box. But I love these. You can see it's like super fresh ingredients. It's just hard to open one-handed, but everything is frozen when it's at its peak of ripeness, which I love about it because I can get these delivered right to my door, store them in my freezer, and all you have to do, you can pick any liquid of your choice, since this is like a chocolate hazelnut, but obviously it's got so many good greens in there. Like, I would never eat this healthy of a breakfast otherwise, because you just see how busy our mornings are, and this just makes it so simple and convenient for me to whip up something healthy that's chocked full of real ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna just carefully pour this into my blender here and pop this on. Okay, now that that's all blended up, you don't even have to get another cup. You can just pour it right back into the cup that all the ingredients came in. So this one had banana, hazelnuts, coconut, kale, cocoa, avocado, pea protein, and Himalayan sea salt. And it truly is just like the easiest thing in the world to make. And I love the fact that you can just put the lid back on it too, and then pop in a straw, and I've got like the healthiest to go breakfast of my life. Seriously, that tastes so good, and I love the fact that I know it's actually healthy for me. And they have every option no matter what your dietary restrictions might be. So they have keto, gluten-free, paleo options. There's so many different varieties. And again, I will have the link in my description box. Use the code Brianna K so that you get $25 off of your first order. And it's so simple. You can customize your box for whatever your tastes are, and it's delivered right to your door. And that way you can have healthy breakfast, lunch, and snacks on hand right in your freezer, ready to be made. Okay, taking my smoothie, and it's time to tidy up this house.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me.
And you might notice a new TV stand. I took advantage of a Labor Day weekend sale, and I got this on overstock.com. I will link it in case you're interested, but I'm really excited to decorate it for Halloween and the upcoming holiday season.
You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you
Okay, I'm gonna try to squeeze in a fast Target run before I have to get P from school because I need to get some gift wrap for my best friend's son's birthday party this weekend. And I also had to return a bunch of baby girl clothes to Target because my best friend Bridget, who I went shopping with for her postpartum and baby stuff in my last day in the life vlog, had us all fooled. We thought for sure she was having a girl, so I got all these girl baby clothes for her, but her baby boy was born September 14th, Vaughn Matthew. He is seriously so perfect. Congratulations, Bridget and Craig. I'm so happy for you guys. So I heard they started to put out the actual like Halloween stuff in the Halloween decor section. So I came to check it out. It's like not fully out yet, but there's definitely some stuff. Oh my gosh, these little sippy cups. They're all so cute. I love those. How was your day?
Good.
What'd you do at school?
Baby Dodo.
Played with Dojo? Yeah.
My nose is not here right now.
Oh, okay. Did she already get picked up?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You want to talk about what you're eating for lunch? What are you eating?
Go fish.
Goldfish.
This one.
Veggies. Well, these are veggie. They're veggie ghost. They had those at Target and some wheat crackers. And what's on your spoon?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. And what's in your cup?
Green juice.
Green juice. And then what's this?
Banana.
Banana. And what's this?
Pouch.
Yeah, it's an apple pouch, right? Applesauce pouch.
Yeah.
You get hungry at school, huh? Even though you get a snack there, she always comes home like ready to eat. Good day. You tired today? Been sleeping a lot. What?
Good dog there.
She is a good doggy, huh? We love her.
So when I got peanut butter on my face.
You can't kiss me when you got peanut butter on your face?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for being thoughtful. I'm gonna steal one. Go steal one. Hey. Oh. You're such a jokester. Oh, they stole one. Hey. Aurora adores spending the afternoon with all her animal friends. What letter is that?
A bee.
B, you're right. Bambi and his best
What's
friends enjoy a
What's
beautiful spring day. What is that?
A bunny.
Bunny.
What's this?
What are those?
Bee.
Bees.
What
What does a bee say?
this?
Bzzz.
Go where the how I want to what you want.
Up, up,
But
up,
I want so high. Like a diamond
in
in
the
the
sky.
sky.
Twinkle,
A
twinkle,
little star.
how
I
I
wonder what you are.
Okay, give Mom a kiss. Mwah.
Put these on.
Okay, I'll take it out here. Lay down, I'll take it out.
I want these.
Lay
What
your baby.
I do?
I got it out.
Okay.
Got Belle?
Do I do?
Okay.
It is out.
You want your puppy?
No. It is a puppy down.
Okay, it's fine. Here, we'll just put this on you. Cuddle and go night-night. I love you.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. It's still unconscious.
Well, we are back at Target. I forgot I needed teriyaki sauce and just a couple of other things. And I got Landon from school. Adam's home with Presley, but he did so good in school. What did your teacher say when I picked you up?
Beautiful job.
Yeah, and you were a smarty, did you say a smart patootie? Yeah, so he got a, what is the reward?
Cake walk.
Yeah, good job.
They told me I was a smart patootie because I saw your car.
Oh. Which By the way, that's one of the things I feel like I haven't updated you guys on is the car situation, at least on YouTube. I know I've done it over on Instagram, but I ended up just buying out the lease for this car because every dealer sort of said if you don't need to buy right now, you're gonna get a much better deal if you wait until car show time, which is, they said around March. So I don't think we're going to need the 3 car seats in our car before then. So either we can look into getting a really good deal on a new one, or if there's some kind of used car that's a great deal too, that could be a possibility. But it was kind of a stressful decision and there was a lot of things going on all at the same time. So I just decided to like take the easy way out on this one and just buy out the lease and keep this car until I find something that I like truly love or we get a really good deal. So that's an update on that. And I'm really excited. We came here to get the teriyaki sauce for my first Instapot recipe that I'm gonna try when we get home. But I'm really hoping it is like truly instant because it's getting pretty close to dinner time. And Landon has soccer tonight, so I've gotta like get it going really, really fast. You do have soccer tonight, yeah. You excited? Yeah, my soccer star. All right, let's go.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you're done now. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most.
Okay, so it's beeping. I think it should be done, but I'm gonna check the directions just to be sure. Okay, so I used this to turn it because I was scared. Ah. Okay, we're gonna see moment of truth. Oh, Adam, I think it actually did turn out good. Yay. I was nervous, I prepared him. I'm like, you might be getting fast food on the way to soccer. And exciting channel announcement, Vlogtober and the trick or treat, emphasis on treat, starts Wednesday, October 2nd, and I will be posting Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays during the month of October. So make sure your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss a single Vlogtober video. And you have to comment your name, city, state, and favorite Halloween candy, because I'll be picking at least one winner per video and treating you to something on your Amazon registry wish list. So use the link in my bio to create your wish list. You don't have to be a mom or have a baby to make one, and just make sure that it's set to public. That way I can find you within those first 30 minutes after I post a video and treat you to something that you would like. I cannot wait for Vlogtober.
By now, Thomas was way too sleepy to keep